You search for how to buy shares of Global Business Travel Group 1. This video shows the basic process. Global Business Travel Group 1 provides corporate travel services and solutions. The company is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GBTG. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After you register, you will normally need to verify your account, typically with a valid ID document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GBTG. Check the results carefully and select the entry that matches Global Business Travel Group 1 to locate the correct stock listing. On the stock page, you can read a short company description and view the price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker GBTG, and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right asset before proceeding. Click Investor Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details. Confirm the order only after double-checking. If the market is closed, your order may be executed when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below if you want to review the platform referenced.